Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sequence right here. We have CEI. Okay, CEI stock. We can clearly see that CEI stock did manage to basically be kind of flat for the whole Friday and stuff like that. Okay, some people were talking about like how the stock will like close to the downside, but like today we're going to be talking like more about the fundamental side of things and so on and so on. Okay, so let's just talk about the big picture. Okay, it's a vital. Okay, it's a vital correction to mine. Okay, some people bro, like let's just start off here, okay? All this time, like everyone thought that we were waiting for a like specific 10K, but we were waiting for a several 10Ks, okay, and etc. A housekeeping measure that was, and also there was a S4 filling, okay. The S4 filling itself is what solidifies the merger, and there are like some things about the merger. So whether these 10Ks or 10Qs have good or bad financials ain't as important as like merely filling them to to solidify the merger. They now have until December 17th to fill, and ideally the S4 comes out before that anyway. Once all is filled, Camber becomes a holding company for a revenue of over 100 million rather than the massively 400 k, okay, it earned last year in a state with no income tax. Carbon picture technology, renewable like biodegradable fuel, etc. This is an energy company with a better future in mind. Multiplying annual revenue by 250 will probably have high stock demand, and their financial situation is messy due to the previous MGMT. Thus, increasing number of shares is probably best for long-term future. Those who can vote should probably vote yes. Okay, in my honest opinion right now. But this is from a guy like from WAF832. This is like what he said on. I found a picture about it. Okay, so yeah, this is not a penny stock company anymore. It was a well above $4 until options become Avil. Okay, for the first time. Then Crackhack Capital. Carousel Capital issued a seemingly slanderous short report and made it think heavily. Okay, that's why they pushed to the downside because they were shorting it. Okay, guess their like glorious leader needed more like allowance money for the things that he does. But every time you sell some shares, uh, you may make it like evil to people who want to short the stock. Okay, consider holding most of it, put pressure on bears, but by all means take some profits if you want and need. Okay, bears will try their like every single thing to scare you. Okay, at some point the shorts are gonna get filled, and if the price basically continues to hold at basically the same level, this is gonna push to the upside. Okay, for all the things that like were, for example, happening right here in a matter of 41 days, the highs that we got was around 1,343% to the upside, which is a pretty big ass. Okay, it was kind of the peak. Okay, the peak for this stock, and also like SXC was trading at pretty high price in the like basically in the past. But yeah, this has potential, and I'm gonna be like basically so true about it. My opinion is that this is a great time to buy right now. Of course, not money right now. Do not put all your investing capital at the moment. It's always up to you, but it's a great buy right now. Let me know what are your thoughts. Peace out, and I'm not financial.